scaled Agile. It's a very structured approach to scalability of any Agile initiation. The challenges is having a lean Agile leadership. That's one of the main challenges. And then it's the team and technical agility of working team. DevOps. When developing on demand and your development is in stress, you may come up with products that buggy. That by itself is going to kill our agility, because going back to fixable points is going to cost us 3 times. So release on demand is very challenging in scaled Agile. Business solutions, lean business engineering. We had a scaled Agile PI planning from Microvision last year. I think we have the YouTube channel on that. You can take a look at it. PMI Silicon Valley chapter, we have created a class. We're training for leading safe, SA, certificate program. I will be teaching with one of the colleagues. Take a look at PMI Silicon Valley chapter, PMI SB. This is the cheapest possible certificate in safe you can get anywhere here in US, guaranteed. Scaled Agile is growing, and it's growing fast because large-scale enterprise organizations have structured project management office, PMO. If we have the leaders of, for instance, IT, then we can have very good implementation of SAFE in that organization. This is very much based on the SAFE path of lean. Respect for people and culture, flow, and in every angle of it. The second pillar, innovation. An agile organization doesn't have innovation, is dead at birth. Relentless improvement. And the implementation of SAFE, as I said, can be very easy if we have the executives already trained. And the first leg of training of executives is leading SAFE. At portfolio level, or portfolio managers would look at the leading SAFE and get certified for that. And after that, it will be much easier to get trained and implement SAFE.
Yeah, I'd like to add, Agile is about teams working together as a team. You're jumping in as a full person in a team. You innovate in the team. Not anybody tells you to do so, but you do so and you coordinate with others. That cannot be taught it cannot be automated. And it takes a human to do it.
It's not have to be automated, right?
It could
Just
be automated,
well, it's not a formula. It is really not a formula. Think about it this way. I mean, if you have a football team or a basketball team, how do you automate a football team? That is
you can augment, you're right.
Not really the automate, actually, this process. It's like the human being, you inactivate the other people, but the AI, when it gets a certain level, so at least it can be similar like the human being, right? So they can play like the here. They remember the whole process the going through. There's a whole team that work together. They remember, and then later they can use this kind of knowledge and to reproduce the same.
Agile is not knowledge. It is skills. It is skills of working together as a team. It's a practice. It's like, that's why I compare it to a sports team. You play together and you become good. There is no formula for it. The coach will not automate any of that. You have to keep practicing. That's really it. What SAFE makes a point here, I mean, whether you like it or not, they are very heavy talk now. The point they're making here is to implement SAFE, you start at the top. So a lot of times people say, the transformation to Agile failed. One of the top reasons is you don't have executive support. So now they get that away completely by starting from training the executives. And SAFE says that all the time, that is, executives have a role in Agile, which is to lead the organization towards Agile. That cannot be delegated, cannot be hired with a consultant.
And that's why in SAFE, training the lean agile change agent is at top of their priority. And that change agent is usually at portfolio level, as leadership level. That's why best bet is leading safe at portfolio level to bring them to the agile mindset and the set of practices that follows to bring the organization as a whole gradually.